Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for millions of years, but it took just one day to end it all.
Hey friends, did you know there was a time when Earth was completely different before cities and giant creatures, the Dinosaurs, ruled the planet? This, when Ling is the story of the day dinosaurs died.
Let's go back billions of years to a world very different from today. The Earth was burning. Volcanoes erupted everywhere. Lava flowed like rivers. The sky was filled with smoke. There was no life, no trees, no animals, only fire, only chaos. But slowly, over millions of years, something incredible began to happen. Rain started to fall, not for days, not for years, but for millions of years. The Earth began to cool. Oceans formed. And deep inside those oceans, life began. Tiny organisms, so small they were invisible. This was the beginning of everything. These tiny organisms changed the planet forever. They released oxygen into the atmosphere, and slowly the air became breathable. Then something incredible happened. Plants began to grow. Forests started spreading across the entire land. And just like that, Earth transformed into a living world. And then, after millions of years, Earth was ready. Around 230 million years ago, in the Triassic period, dinosaurs appeared. At first, they were small, fast, agile. But over time, they grew, they evolved, and they became the rulers of the Earth. Nature gave them power. Some became plant eaters. Massive, peaceful. Others became hunters. Fast, deadly, unstoppable. Creatures like Brachiosaurus stood over 80 feet tall. Titanosaurs weighed more than 40 tons. The Earth belonged to them. They ruled the land for millions of years.
But then, something unexpected happened. A massive asteroid was heading straight towards, no one could stop it.
But far away, in deep space, something was moving. A giant asteroid, over 10 kilometers wide, traveling faster than a bullet, heading straight toward Earth. No one knew. No one could stop it. And then, one day, it arrived. A bright light in the sky. A flash so powerful, it lit up the entire planet. And then, impact. The asteroid hit Earth with unimaginable force. The explosion was stronger than billions of nuclear bombs. Shockwaves spread across the planet. The ground shook violently. Massive earthquakes and giant waves rose across the oceans. Forests burned, the sky filled with fire, ash, and smoke. Dinosaurs ran in every direction, but there was nowhere to hide. Then, everything changed. The sky turned black. Sunlight disappeared. Ash covered the entire planet. Temperatures dropped fast. Plants began to die. Food started to vanish. The world was falling into silence. Some dinosaurs died instantly. Others tried to survive. For days, for weeks. But the conditions were impossible. No food, no sunlight, no escape. And slowly, the rulers of the earth disappeared. But what if I told you they didn't all disappear? Some survived. Small, feathered dinosaurs adapted to the new world. They changed. They evolved. And today, we know them as birds. After the destruction, the earth began to heal. Forests slowly returned, oceans calmed, and life started again. Small creatures, once hiding in fear, now had a chance. They adapted, they evolved, they survived. Millions of years later, after the dinosaurs disappeared, the Earth slowly began to recover. Life returned in many different forms. New creatures appeared, adapted to the changing world. Some became stronger, some became faster, and some learned to survive in new ways. The world kept changing again and again, shaping life on Earth. And even today, that journey continues.
The dinosaurs ruled the earth for millions of years. But in just one moment, everything ended. That life can change in an instant. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to my documentary and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.